guys, Cece here. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday and welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I'm about to make breakfast and I'll show you guys how I make my banana pancake from scratch. And this is banana pancake with a twist. I love it, but I can't wait to get this thing out my head. Hopefully this is the last time you guys see me with this hair. Like, it's horrible. Like, I can't. I'm gonna try to loose it out tonight, wash my hair, and probably texturize it and just wear my natural hair for a couple days because, yeah, just cause. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the subscribe button and like this video. If you make your pancake from scratch as well, let me know your recipe and how you actually do it, because I used to just, you know, get my Aunt Jemima and that's it. But my partner, she's the one who actually make pancake from scratch, and I'm like, why you want to do all that work? Why you don't just pour the thing out the box that's already made? You don't have to put A, B, C, and D in it. But I started doing it from scratch as well and I love it, so let's go. Okay, we're starting off with 2 overripe bananas. We have flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder, sugar, and some salt. We're just going to mash the banana and get it as soft and mushed as you can, and add some sugar and continue mushing and mixing everything together until it looks something like this. Now we're going to start mixing our dry ingredients. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder into some flour, and I think this is about 1 cup of flour, but I'm not using all of this flour. Once you add your flour, go ahead and mix everything together. Then you could add some water and continue mixing. We want to incorporate everything and get everything mixed together. We're going to add some cinnamon. I love adding cinnamon spice to my pancake. It just gives it a little extra, you know, extra spice. So I love adding cinnamon. And then we're going to add a dash of salt, and that's it. You want your batter to be not thick but not watery, not too runny. We're going to warm our pot and just add some of the batter to the oil and fry. If you're experiencing some sweet tooth craving, you could go ahead and add some extra sweetness. Go ahead and drizzle some maple syrup all over those pancakes. Look how beautiful that looks. I love it. Thanks again for watching. See you guys tomorrow.